Never death row production. To remain strong, they said I couldn't do it. Locked me in chains till my struggle's closer to the pain of a train killer. Please believe that I'll never be shamed again. Again, I'll be the next heavyweight champion. Call me crazy, but no one can fade me. I'm the product of the projects, lost me crazy. Throw your hands up, Mr. Bruno. Ride. Big Mike Tyson about to brutalize that ass tonight. No hesitation, front of the whole nation. I'll be there, that's so bad I'll probably violate probation. You demonstration as I strategize information. Intent to kill, so it's real like a catching cases. Let the world know I plan to die. If I don't leave it what I came for, I'll be denied. Now, my first round for the times that I spent in the cell. The second round for the media and the lies they tell. The third round for the pain that I felt inside. Let's recognize, I won't be denied. When we ride, first rounds for the times that I spent in the cell. The second rounds for the media and the lies they tell. The third rounds for the pain that I felt inside. Let's recognize, I won't be denied.
I'll take it.
Let's recognize, I won't be denied. First round for the times that I spit in the cell. The second round for the media and the lies they tell. The third round for the pain that I felt inside. Let's recognize, I won't be denied. When we ride, I am Mike Tyson. We ride when I'm here together. West side. This is what it sounds like when we ride.
The whole back is actually not touched. I can fit another one.